Hey guys, Walker Paul Toters here with the Car Guys YouTube channel. We've got something special for you today. 21 Ford Ranger here. We're going to be putting on a tailgate assist. We're going to go through the steps involved with this here. This is from a company called DZ. Here are the steps here. Zoom in on that, Jake. And we're also going to get some clips for you as we're doing it. Coming to you shortly.
Go.
Sometimes it doesn't work.
But sometimes it does.
Manually.
We're keeping it real.
Keeping it real.
What is realer than a little bit of hard work?
A little hard work around here. Let's see if it works now.
Very nice.
Alright. Now Jake, come around here. We're going to take the screw that they had in the set. We're going to bring it down just like this. And we are going to screw this in. And now that we've got it here, I believe that we can go ahead and start to tighten these screws down. All right, so we'll give it a go. So we're not going to tighten it fully just yet. We're going to wait until we get it attached up here, and then we'll get it rolling.
We're going to torque it up.
You going to torque it up? So now we got our flathead screwdriver. We're going to take off this cable from the mount. They say using a screwdriver is the easiest way to get it done, so that's what we're doing. Just like that. And I believe it's simply just sliding this extra part included in the kit over your original parts right here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to slide this full thing over this part that we were given, and then put it back into the bolt right up here. Alright, so we've got our part installed on the frame right here. We've got our dampener right here. We're going to pull it out. It takes a while to pull out, but once you're able to get it, you snap it on this little clip right here. So just like that, we're going to go back in there and tighten everything just to make sure we're good to go. All right, so we're continuing to tighten the bolts here. We've almost got everything squared away.
Squared away, Walker.
Almost got it squared away, Jake.
We're squaring them all. Square deals, keeping it real.
All right, and now for the moment of truth, we're clipping this back on here.
Clip that bad boy.
All right, so we are going to put the tailgate up, nice and easy, as expected. Now for the moment of truth, let's see what happens.
Oh man,
Voila.
he did it again. Tailgate magic.
Tailgate assist, one of the best improvements, one of the cheapest improvements you can do for your 21 Ranger. That is the 2019 model and up. This works on that. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe. Jake Frye, the car guy, Walker Paul Tedders, we love your support. Keep up with us. Have a good one, guys.
The redrop. Oh, hit the walk off.